Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I just received the Mercury 9.9 EFI motor, kicker motor that I ordered from Online Outboard. It just came in. I'm about to install it and show everyone step by step how I'm going to get it done. Here it is. So here's the box. Came from this company in Tennessee, Cumberland Water Sport. Great company. If you're going to order one of these or any other of their motor, they're super legit. Their website will tell you if it's in stock or not. Delivery time is awesome. They told me 9 days, and exactly 9 days it came in, and the price is great. So highly recommend this company right here, Online Outboard. This is what it looks like right out of the box. It comes with fuel line, a fuel tank, which I'm probably not going to use. I'm going to run it straight directly into my main tank. Hardware, tool bag inside. It even comes with a quart of Mercury oil. There it is, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to be installing this very, very soon. Hi everyone, back on the boat again. Right now we're going to prepare. I've already removed all the screw off of these panels. This panel, the back deck panel, and this right panel needs to come off. And as you can see, a lot of screw. I was very lucky that none of them were stripped and were damaged, so I was able to get them all out all at one time. Thank goodness. It's a lot of work. But now we're going to remove it and start digging the foam in that corner for where the motor is going to sit. Okay, here's just what this looks like right now. Side panels are gone. The back deck is out. This side panel is out. I already started digging. Apparently, this is probably the hardest part of the entire job. Digging. You got to dig this pocket out so you can run your bolt. There you go. Here it is. Took a while to dig all this stuff out. It's a lot of work. Using, that's what I used to dig it out. It worked. Got it done. So now I'm ready to move this strap hook right here. And then we're gonna make another. I got this cutting board about an inch thick that I'm gonna mount right here so the motor can sit on there. So the clamp bolt will position somewhere around here. Right now, if I drop the motor in, it's gonna sit too low. Okay, got the strap mount out. I just use a 19 millimeter deep socket and ratchet it out and put the nut back on, and just use a little hammer and tap this corner, this bolt, and it just comes right out. Uses that. Okay, here's the next step. I'm going to use this plastic cutting board. It's about 3/4 inch thick. Should be more than enough. I'm going to cut it about 11 inches long. It's going to sit right in the surface area. And about 2 inches. About 2 inches thick. I'm going to mount it right here where the motor mount is going to sit on. Give it a little rise. Okay, here you go. Okay, got my riser cut out, about 11 inches long, 2 inches thick, about 2 inches deep, about 3/4 inches thick. There you have it. Gonna paint it up. So here's the riser. Painted it, drilled 3 holes, countersunk it, drilled 3 pilot holes on the top right here. About to mount it with these 3 screws. There. There you go. There's my riser. all stainless steel. That's what you got to use on boats. So here's the next step. I was gonna just fill this up with silicone, but it's kind of sketchy. So what I'm gonna do is just run these bolts. I got these bolts from Lowe's, 1/2 inch, long enough, and I kind of shave off the end because these bolts gonna sit right in between a little slot where that motor is at, and it's kind of bind up, so I grind it. So I'm gonna run 2 nuts back there, some washer, some silicone, and they should seal right up. There you go. Motor mount up really nice. Got the 2 clamp bolt in there, snug and tight. Now I'm gonna mock up some holes to start drilling from the bottom out. And here's those 2 bolts that are inside, fit perfectly. No rubbing, no binding, no touching. There you go. Okay, mark my 2 hole, one here and one there. About to drill. There it is. Got these 2 bolts in, sealed. Got the tab in, sealed. Let me show you what it looks like on the back side. Here's the back side. This is the plug hole. That's the mount, the strap cleat, and you got 1 hole there and 1 hole here for the engine mount. So I found this scrap metal in the garage. I'm gonna make a little mount to mount my my fuel separator. So this piece is cut off already. I shaped this area to fit this fitting. And drill 2 holes. Mount right there. Cut these 2 sides to give it a nice angle. Right there. Okay, we're gonna cut these 2 wings off. Okay, there we go. Cut a nice angle, shaped it right there, drill 2 holes. This is where it's going to sit right in, run the bolt perfectly. You see? Now I got to bend this to make it fit onto the bolt. That's it. Yep. Drill out 4 holes. I'm going to use these rivets to mount this bracket onto the boat. Here's the bracket. Cut it, bend it to this angle. Now I'm just going to weld this area. There it is. Well done. Okay, here it is. The bracket bent, welded, drilled. This is where the fuel separator is going to mount onto, and you got 4 holes right there. Just something like that, just like that. Now I got this mounted up. I'm going to rivet it in. One rivet. The second rivet. There you go. That's what it looks like. Got two more to go. Okay, rivets are in. Time to mount the fuel separator. About to bolt on the fuel line separator. I did run a little bit of this gas Teflon onto these fittings. I don't know if I should or not, or even if I'm supposed to. If any of you guys know more about this fuel line stuff, please comment down below and let me know if I'm doing it right, or should I have it, or should I remove it. I can always do that later. Oh, there it is, fuel line all done. There's my fuel separator. So you got fuel coming in, and if I switch here, fuel for my main outboard, if I switch it over here, I got fuel for my kicker. That's what it looks like. Done. Okay, finally finished. Everything's connected, bolted on. Here's the kicker. There's a fuel line set up. I kept this one-way valve and the actual pump here still on there. Let's go look at the front view. Here's the front view of the kicker. This is how I routed my line. Power line just goes straight out underneath the cabinet, and the battery's inside that cabinet right there. Just 2 wire plugging into the battery direct. That's it. Ready to fire it up tomorrow. 4th of July. See y'all out there. First day out, July 4th. Kicker motor is finally out in the water. Gonna fire her up in a bit. Okay, let's start her up. Wow, that was the first start. Nice. There she go.